Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your WhatsApp chat theme. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Opening WhatsApp lately has been as interesting as watching paint dry. If you're bored of being greeted by a load of promotional messages and those familiar green bubbles, you now have the option to change one of these. So WhatsApp has finally made the chat themes available, and it will allow you to add a splash of colors to the otherwise monotone default conversation. So how to do it? Very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just choose on the conversation that you want to change the chat theme. This one, for example. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Select on chat theme, and then here you can change your chat theme. Maybe you want to this one. You can select, or this one. You can also adjust the theme. For example, I want to use this. Tap on the upper right corner here. This will replace your existing chat theme, and only you see your chat theme. Then you can set, and in here you can also change the chat bubble. If you want to make it with yellow color, it will turns out like this, or purple like this. You can set the chat bubble. It's very simple, right? So it's more interesting, right? So in here you can also change the other settings. You can go to settings. You can go to appearance. You can change the app theme. If you want to make the app theme to pink or purple or blue, yellow, green, you can choose anything that you prefer. It's very simple, right? And for this feature, you can only set on your WhatsApp list. So before you change your app icon and also the app theme, you can upgrade your WhatsApp to WhatsApp list. So that is how to change your WhatsApp chat theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!